Yo, what's going on, everybody? Welcome to episode 5 of Let's Get Funded. I am not happy to be making this video, but shit happens. I'm here to show you guys everything. Be transparent. We took a trade last night, which is clearly going our way right now, but we might have gotten taken out before, and now that I'm looking at the markets, I'm just whatever. So I'm gonna get on here, break down the trade that I took, and see kind of what happened. This wasn't one of those where I was just completely wrong. I ended up getting stopped out on one of my trades, and the trade is still valid. And I want to show you guys, my mindset when something like this happens. So I'll see you guys in the charts. Thank you guys for watching. Like, comment, subscribe. You guys know what to do. Post notifications on. Don't forget that. And I'll see you in the charts. Deuces.
So what's going on, guys? So we're on the charts now, and I'm gonna kind of break down what happened. But first of all, you guys know I'm gonna be very transparent with you. So I'm gonna show you guys my screen, so you guys know that I'm not lying about nothing. Obviously, I wouldn't lie about losing. So I'm gonna pop up my screen right here. And let me tell you guys kind of what happened. So, if you had seen the breakdown that I had dropped on that yesterday, Monday, if you had seen the breakdown that I had dropped yesterday, we had predicted that a correction of this giant move was going to come, right? A possible continuation to the downside, or we were going to correct this entire 500 pip move. So, last night, as price was showing me that it was continuing to pull up, breaking this H4 support and resistance, I look on the lower time frames, and you kind of have just this, this trend line going towards the upside, right? Going bullish. On top of that, what we have is this break above this crucial area, right? This white box is a H4 support and resistance, right? We start retesting, we start to go along, right? And if you see, when we break above this box that we have drawn on here, we know when we break above, we usually retest, go long, right? We break under, retest, we go short. So right now, I was thinking, well, you know, I do have price correcting, right? I do have price correcting. So, if we were to break and retest, I could go long and take this to the next area of support and resistance. So I had a possible short bias that we could continue to go short based on the market structure on the weekly, based on the market structure on the daily. But I also did have price correcting. So I did want to catch a long position, right? And I'm going to show you guys exactly what happened with my entry. While price in pre-London was ranging right under this area of support and resistance, I knew that it was just time for it to break. It was going to break, and once it broke, we were going to go along, right? So if you see here, it was very detailed price action, right? So we have a break above, but the difference here is that we broke right back under, right? So then we break above, we retest, we engulf, right? That could have been my entry, but then the next bearish candle stayed above support and resistance. So now we're breaking and retesting, right? We didn't just break and close right back under on the next candle. We broke and now we're retesting. So our entry was right in this range right here, right? So what does price do? Well, price flies 34 pips in profit. We're up our risk already, but I'm sleeping here. Not that that would have changed anything. I wouldn't have moved break even. I wouldn't have done none of that. And if you see price comes right back down, right, takes us out by a hair, and then flies up for a total of 54 pips. Our TP1 was actually set here, right, because of this minor area over here. I'm going to show you guys right over here, right? So our TP was hit over here, but we had just gotten taken out. Um, and then what had happened over the course of market closure, over the course of the entire day, price comes down, retests this huge area that we have drawn, and currently just continued to fly a shitload of pips, guys. It just flew for 119 pips. From our entry point, it flew 89 pips. It would have been a huge move. It would have put us over halfway mark of on the account. But listen, I want to tell you guys that these things happen, right? And you gotta, not beat yourself up. First of all, you're gonna lose, right? You can't always win in the markets. Second of all, when you experience losses like these, like this one I had last night, I'm not even mad about it, right? It was right direction, just possibly wrong timing. If something completely different happened and I had my analysis marked up, that'd be more concerning. But my mindset with, when I lose like this, which has happened a lot before, is like, you know what? On to the next setup. It doesn't really matter. We'll come back tonight and see what we can take. But yeah, it was just one of those where we got stopped out by a hair, and then we missed TP1, and then after that it pulls back and just continues to continue to fly. So that's what happened. Again, hopefully I got the screen to pop up. So I want to be very transparent with you guys. I'll show you guys what happened. We lost a total of $800. 1%, what I risk is 1,000. So we lost a little less than we actually risked. So I'm not mad about it. We're currently at 2.5% in profit, 2,500. So meaning we would have to lose three in a row to be negative, and I do not think that's gonna happen. I want to hopefully bounce back. You know, manifest his energy, manifest some wins, and pass his account challenge as quickly and cautious and careful as possible, right? We want to take our time with trading, but I also really want to get funded. So, these things happen. Yo, the worst thing you could do is dwell on it, right? Listen, it's gonna happen. We're all gonna lose. And if you guys need to hear this, perfect. Please hear it from me. You're gonna lose. Just learn from it, right? Log your trades, see what happened, see what you could have done differently. Look at your entries at a certain time at a certain place. And just see what you could have done differently, man. Here, it just got stopped out, and that was it, and that was that. So thank you guys for watching. That is my breakdown on GBPJPY and the loss that we took. When it comes to tonight, what I am looking for, as I told you guys, is actually a continuation of this short. I do believe we're gonna come up. We're retesting this 15 EMA already on the daily, on the 4 hour, and if we can come up, push and hit this support and resistance, and then melt, I do like shorts going into GBPJPY. So again, thank you guys for watching so much. I really appreciate it. Hope you guys learn. Hope you guys enjoy this series as we are now on episode 5. And I will be back tonight and update you guys hopefully with a video tomorrow. So again, like, comment, subscribe, post notifications on, follow me on Instagram. I'll pop it up right here one last time. Boom. You guys have been running up my Instagram too. I really appreciate that. And I'll see you guys in London. London. Deuces.